I'm going to the Urban Sketching Symposium in Toulouse and I'm really excited about it. And I know it will be very hot out there. Probably another heat wave in France, the third one. And I want to take just what I need and nothing more. So everything has to fit inside this bag. This is a 20-liter backpack. So let's see if I can fit everything in there. This is what I take with me for the Urban Sketching Symposium in Toulouse, and one of these elements is crucial to sketch on location. Can you guess which one it is? This will probably be our third heat wave in France, so I have a special hat that is blocking UV light. Very important to have that. And going with it, you want to have sunscreen. This one is great. 50 SPF, and it doesn't stay sticky or greasy on your hands because I protect my hands too, and I don't want to have a transfer of the cream on my sketchbook. A fan because heat wave. Water to drink and also to refill my brushes, my water brushes. This one is a Stillman and Burn mixed media series. This is a beta series with the white paper. This is my go-to, and a smaller one for looser sketches. Then a pouch with a zipper, very important, so you don't lose everything. My minimal sketch tools. A tube of glue, because you never know if you want to glue some ephemera you collect on the go. My watercolor palette. I just changed the color inside, and I've made a video about that in my travel sketchbook club on Patreon. 2 clips, magnetic clips, so you can have your palette on it. Very strong. I will also carry stickers with me if you want to get some of them. Please go and meet me and I will gladly give you one. As well as my stamp with the pink ink. So I'm ready to stamp your sketchbook. If you are willing to have a sticker and a stamp, I'm ready for you. And the most important item is this foldable stool. Folding stool. You just pull out the legs. You open the scratch and then you can sit on it. It's not really comfortable, but I cannot stand drawing. I'd better be sitting on this folding stool, even if it's not the best place to sit for a long time. But let's see now if everything fits inside of my bag. This is going on the side pockets, and on the other side I can put my water bottle, my pouch, my sketchbook, well, plural, sketchbooks, stickers, clips in the outside pocket. Oh, I forgot something really important. Fan, so you can grab it. I forgot paper towel, or 2 or 3 maybe, because you will use them a lot. Let's place that into the zipped pocket. Sunscreen ready to grab as well, and my palette ready to grab. And my hat will be on my head, so I don't need to put it inside of the backpack. And there you go. And I still have room. Well, let me be a fashion influencer for a while. So this is a bag, you can carry it on your shoulder, but you can also have it on your back. That's great. Now I'm ready to have fun in Toulouse. Well, I'm talking about Toulouse, but this kit is also the same I use for sketching outside. So did you notice what I don't take with me? I don't take any pencil, any eraser, any sharpener, because I'm going straight with a pen, a waterproof pen, because let's be crazy. And I don't take any crayons. I can take them during the winter, but I know it will melt in my hand. So no thank you. And I don't take any regular brushes. I like to keep it simple, tight, light, and compact. So I can unfold my stool and sit and draw what I want. In maybe a minute, I'm ready to draw and sketch and have fun. I'm really excited about that. So let me know in comments, what is your sketching kit? Do you have more? Do you have less? If you have less, let me know what you have less, because this is the bare minimum I can do. Thanks for watching.